Yes, it is on to Game 7 to the winner, a trip to the NBA Finals.
This is going to be a series for the ages, right? It doesn't become a series for the ages unless the champs go down.
That's 17, we here, baby! Let's go!
Wade, great spin inside, layup it in. Oh, that's the Dwayne Wade that's been missing.
We got 10 layup attempts already. I don't care. We go in. Keep on attacking.
Hibbert, up top, right to Wade. Wade against Stevenson. Here's Wade to the rim.
A lot of basketball left. We got to trust our defense. Okay, we got to get stopped.
Down the floor, Cole, the alley-oop. LeBron on the alley-oop from Cole. Fast break Miami.
It appears the Big Three is back in action. This is now a celebration for the Miami Heat.
Really proud of you. Hell of a season, kid. I couldn't be more proud, okay? Our future is bright. Keep our chins up. Keep our heads up. Our future is bright.
Time has run out on the Indiana Pacers, and for the third season in a row, the Miami Heat are headed to the NBA Finals as they beat the Indiana Pacers 99-76.
Everybody knows that we're a great basketball team, a championship caliber basketball team, okay, that fell short in a Game 7. Okay, but it's coming back next year wanting more.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know.
Never take this for granted going on this ride to the next round. And these next 4, it's whatever it takes.
I ain't worried about nothing. Together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Together. I gotta shower. I gotta get in the cold tank. My body killing me.
Gonna get some sleep finally?
No. No, I might get some tonight, though. Finally, I need it.